I don't want to use AI to do my voiceover. I want to use my voice, but I don't know how to. Well, this is what I got when I posted my last video on how to do your voiceover using AI. I understand. I know why you want to use your voice, maybe for future reasons or whatever, but seriously, using AI is more easier and monetizable. But if you can do with your voice, no problem. That is why I'm here for you, and that is what I am going to show you today. Using your voice is very good, right? It will make you to pronounce those words the way you want to pronounce it, adding emotions and all that. If you are doing African folktale videos, it will also make you to connect with your audience better. They will understand you better, right? Instead of just watching without much emotions. And apart from African folk tales, you can use it for your faceless YouTube videos, social media videos in general. If you have a business too, you can also use it to market your business, run ad anywhere. So you are on the right track. I'm still using front camera today, so you just have to cope with me. So let's dive into how to do voiceover by yourself. So if you want to use CapCut directly to do your voiceover and do whatever you want to do, let's go to CapCut, right? And yeah, we are here. You go to new projects and import anything first. Below this timeline, you can see edit, audio test, and overlay, right? So we are clicking on audio. Then at the end of this line, you will see record. We want to record now. So now that we are here, before you move on, if you are using microphone, make sure you connect your microphone first, right? Because if you play it, I mean start recording before putting your microphone, it's not going to work. So you connect your microphone and start talking. But if you are not using microphone, you want to use your normal voice, I mean no microphone and all that, all you have to do is to just start. And to start, you click on this, allow it to count, right? And then we start. I have a script here already. Yeah, I have a script and I'll be using it. This particular one, for example, this one I'm saying I have a script already. You have not started the main thing. You want to delete it so that it will not be too much editing. You click on it. It has stopped. Can you see the back? Back. You can see the back, right? Click on back and there will be no voiceover. It will not save because there is not, you have already deleted it. But now let's start. You can make your mistake. In fact, if you make any mistake, don't stop. When they're doing voiceover, they will just be talking. You think that they did not make mistake. I'll purposely make mistake here so that you know that it can be done. So let's get started. Harmattan is here. Your skin becomes dry and dull this season. Mistake, and I did not remove it. Okay, it can make you look weird all the time, even after bathing. But if you can keep your skin most bathing, but if you can keep your skin moisturized, you are good to go. That is why unique natural skincare products are here for you. Whether you are mistake, whether you are light skinned, fair, chocolate, or dark skinned, there is a product for you, from affordable soap, face creams to body lotion. So visit a supermarket near you to get a unique product that suits your skin. We are good to go. This script is not more than 1 minute, right? But here we have 3 minutes because we made mistakes. So let's stop it and good to go. Yeah. I love using CapCut directly because you can edit. Although you can edit if you use whatever you want. Sure. So this thing I just told you doesn't mean that you should not be perfect or try to be better. Yeah, let's use that word. Then if you know that you are not the type that knows how to act your word, you can stand up so that it will not be too dull. Your voiceover will not be too dull. You can stand up so that all your voice will be active, right? To do it. And you can be acting it, right? As you are saying Harmattan, or go to the nearest supermarket and all that. Just demonstrate it like you are, so that when you are talking it, when you are voicing it, it will voice as you are talking to someone. See, if you don't use the right tone, if you don't put your passion or energy, it's going to be felt while people are watching or listening to you. So don't be stiff. So guys, it's time to edit our voiceover to make it perfect. I mean, when someone listens to your voiceover, they will feel like this person is a professional. First of all, let's listen. If we play this, there is a song in this video or a word or whatever, and then this voiceover is here. You can see. Okay. Let's obsessed start. With you. So we have to first of all mute it. To mute it, close to this cover, you can see mute, right? You mute it, and okay, you see that one is out. So let's start. Where did we start from? Okay, started. Hamatan is here. Your skin. See all these ones? We are taking it out. So this is where we started from. Split, right? Hold it, split, and then delete. Click on the one you don't want and delete. So we drag it to the beginning. So let's start. Hamatan is here. Your skin be. See, there's a space. If you want it to be that way, good. Then if you want it to just be talking, like you hold it in between it, hold it, split, then drag. Can you see? Bring it down, drag to where that one stop. Because you want it to be fast doesn't mean that you will not even give space at all. So let's go. Harmattan is here. Your skin becomes dry and dull this season. Okay, so we stop and play and split. Then we play again. Mistake, and I did not remove it. It can make you. So to make it fast, you are the one that did it. So you know where. Even if you don't know, at first you will not know, just play. I know where it is, that is why I'm just moving. So you split, delete where you don't want, and drag till you meet this place. So if you can put it here, right? But I just want it to be, once that one is finishing, the next one is moving on, right? So you will see the result. So you drag it to the ending and and dull this season. It can make you always play to see it. You don't want to drag, cut, join till the end. Then you play, you're not seeing comma. Then you start dragging again. We don't have time, right? So it can make you look weird all the time, even after bathing. But if you can keep your skin most. Okay, here is a mistake. So let's cut here out and look for the. But if you can keep your skin moisturized, you can. Okay, this place. You split, delete the other one. Let's just be fast and do fast, but let's not be fast. Let's learn it. When you start doing, you can be fast. But now we want to learn, right? After bathing. But if you can keep your skin moisturized, you can. Okay, delete and go back to. You are good to go. You see, there are a lot. It's not that I'm talking. Yeah, I don't do this during my time, though. Yeah, but I'm trying to let you know that. Don't say because I'm making mistake, I'm doing this, I'm not confident. This one, nobody is seeing your face, so you are talking. So you can make your mistake and cut out. Okay, delete it again and always play to know if it's too close or too far. Moisturized, you are good to go. That is why you. If you can listen, you can see I breath. It's not just me, everybody. When you talk, before you move to the next sentence, unconsciously that breath will come. So good to go. That is why. If you see the. So I want to remove it. Split, bring back, and. Good to go. That is why unique natural skincare products are here for you. So no more. So this is how you are going to do for all of them till everything is done, right? This is the end of it. I told you guys it's not going to be more than 1 minute and it's even 59 seconds. Your skin. Thank you. Yeah. So this is it. If you are not a video editor, you are not a content creator, you are not a business owner that want to do it by yourself, you just want to be a voiceover artist, right? You can actually no need to edit, nothing. This voiceover is ready. right? Harmattan is here. Your skin becomes dry and dull this season. It can make you look weird all the time, even after bathing. But if you can keep... Okay, let's stop here. Shay, it feels like there was no mistake. We did not do anything. Someone will just post something, you watch it in 30 seconds. You don't even know how much work and time the person invested in it, right? But so like I said, if you don't want to edit the video, make the full content, you can download it. Once it's fully downloaded, you can find it in your gallery. So this is just something, right? Everything is blank. For example, if you have VLC, you can convert video to audio, right? And send to the person. You can also send the person and tell the person to extract it. I just want to run a little basics. If you don't know how to do video editing, make sure it matches like this. Harmattan is here. Your skin becomes dry and dull this season. It can make you look weird all the time. This place dry and dull. You look for a video or picture of a dry and dull skin, like skin that harmattan has finished. You look for the video and add it so that it will show what you are saying. You don't say a day in the life of a data vendor. We have a lot of testimony. I delivered 5 orders yesterday and you are showing your face. Where is the 5 orders? You are not showing it, right? So after bathing. But if you can keep your skin moisturized, then keep your skin moisturized. You can bring someone that is rubbing cream, anything, but I'm using any of this here first. I'll give you the full video once I am done, but I'll just do a rundown after bathing. But if you can keep your skin moisturized, you are good to go. That is why Unique Natural Skin... Okay, you are good to go. You add anything you want to add. Then the Unique Natural, that is why so and so brand is here for you. You put in your brand, then product for you from... Okay, here. Skinned, fair, chocolate. So if you are light skinned, fair, you can bring in different colors, right? You can bring in different skin shades and put here, no matter your skin color, there is a product for you. There is a product for you from affordable soap. So we'll bring the soap here now. From affordable... We'll bring the soap here. Let's add, this is the soap. Face creams. So we'll move to face cream. Stop it here. Bring in face cream. Okay, this is a face cream. Face creams to body lotion. So you can also bring in body lotion. You see, you are reflecting. You show people what you are saying. Body lotion. Our products are formulated with natural ingredients. You can bring any picture of natural ingredients anywhere, and that is it. If you have gotten here, then you know how to do voiceover. Not just voiceover that they will be doing no, voiceover that even if you listen to it, you ask, "Let me do this one." So that is it. Okay, let me show you the results. Harmattan is here. Your skin becomes dry and dull this season. It can make you look weird all the time, even after bathing. But if you can keep your skin moisturized, you are good to go. That is why Unique Natural Skincare products are here for you. Whether you are light-skinned, fair, chocolate, or dark-skinned, there is a product for you, from affordable soap, face creams to body lotion. Our products are formulated with natural ingredients to keep your skin moisturized, radiant, and healthy throughout the day. All our products contain SPF 30 to 50, which protects your skin from harmful UV ray. Imagine what harmattan and sun could do to your skin if you don't protect it. So visit a supermarket near you to get a unique product that suits your skin. If you also want to be a distributor or wholesaler to spread this good news and make extra money, contact us with the number on your screen. Remember to like, comment, and follow us to learn more about your skin. Thank you. Okay, you see how simple, how sweet it is, right? The result is amazing. I am glad that you came this far. And if it was helpful to you, kindly give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and also drop a comment in the comment section. Nice one, please. Okay, if you also have any question about content creation, about AI, you can also tell me in the comment section. If you have video requests, tell me to, and I am here to make video for you. If you own a YouTube channel or just starting out and you want to be in a community where you can connect with each other, you are free to check the description box and click on the link there to join my WhatsApp community where we engage. Thank you for watching today. See you in my next video. Bye.